Hello and welcome to World of Floorcraft. We are Nelson and Karen Rose, and this is an intermediate modern jive clip showing you how to do a lady comb half Manhattan. Though to be fair, we're also going to look at a lady comb Manhattan, which is the full version. Okay, so this really isn't going to be the first Manhattan you want to learn. My advice would be to learn something like a first move Manhattan. Link to that in the description below. Assuming you can already do something like that, you're going to be ready to jump into this. It goes 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2. That's the lady comb half Manhattan. So let's break it down. It goes right to right. We're going to go back. Guys out of the way. We're doing a travelling return. So we're going to come around. And as the lady's getting to the point where she's about to do a step back, we're going to chase in after the lady, we're going to comb the lady, and as she steps back with her right, we're going to step forwards with the left. So we've already done the first step of our Manhattan. We've got our hand tucked in to the back of the lady's neck, and we haven't let go of the lady's hand. So it's now really easy with that connection to lead her body, so that we can go back left, she'll rock through and step forward on her right. We can then just repeat it. Forward for the guys, back for the guys, as many as you like. Forward for the guys, back for the guys. As we're about to send the lady back, guys, a little rotation in the shoulders and taking the hand away. Lady comes round, we get out of the way to the left, travelling return, and we are done. So same thing from the other perspective, and we'll think numbers. So we're going to go back and out of the way. 1, travelling return 2, stepping in with the comb 3, we'll bring the lady forwards 4 and back 5 and forward 6, rolling away 7, facing on 8, travelling through 1 and facing on 2. So let's do it. Here we go. Lady comb half Manhattan goes 7 and 8. Back, through, comb, backwards, forwards, backwards, rotation, face, all the way through and stop. And that is it for the half Manhattan, but not for the full Manhattan. So exactly the same thing. We can get to here, and after we've done back for the guys, we can then go through and do the other half of the Manhattan. So guys now go back on the right, bring the lady through on the left and replace. So we can do the whole sequence of forwards and back, back and forwards. Again, as the lady's about to go back, we add the rotation, get out of the way, and do exactly the same exit. Assuming you're ready for that, let's just try it. Here we go. 5, 6, a lady comb Manhattan. We go a back, through, a forwards and back, back and forwards, forwards and back, back and forwards, out of the way, look, travelling through, and you're done. That's the whole thing. Do whichever version fits the music better, or whichever is your preference. Thank you very much for watching World of Floorcraft. Like, subscribe and hit the bell. That way you'll know every time a new video comes out. Music recommendation on the end, and we will see you next time. I hope you've enjoyed learning some modern jive. There is a link to some music that is good to dance modern jive to. Thank you to everyone who hit subscribe. You are helping us to make more clips. Thank you. Keep dancing.